Hi guys, today I'm going to be adopting some children. So, I'm artistic. So as you can see, I already have a child right here, and her name is Wild. So I'm going to be taking care of her today, and the other child might return. I don't know. She left a while ago. So, say hi. So yeah, hopefully this will work out on the first try. So she's very excited to be in this video, as you can see. And so, yeah, she's good now. So we're going to be doing some family role play. And yes, you are amazing, little bunny. Yes. Oops. Yeah, whatever. Okay. So, yeah, we're going to be doing some family role play. So, breakfast time. It's breakfast time. So, break fast. Yeah. We're going to be chowing down on some food today. Yes, bacon. Bacon. Eats bacon. Okay. Eats bacon. Because, bacon, everybody likes bacon. So, you just gotta eat that bacon. And yeah, I don't think I really have any food unless I put, some flowers out there for her. Slams head onto plate. Oh no. Wow, that's bad. Oh. Okay, so she did it because she liked the food so much. Alright. So, yeah. So, I'm going to ask her what she wants to do. Because, yeah, she just yells everything, apparently. So yeah, let's just wait for her response. Okay, so she wants to go play. In the yard? Gonna ask her where she wants to play. Okay, apparently in the yard. So I'll get some toys out for her, like a gold block or something. Oh, so she wants to play around the house. Okay. I want to play a game. I'll ask her if she wants to play a game. Let's play tag, it's two people. Okay, so she does not want to play a game. I don't know what she wants to do then. Just run. Apparently. Okay then, now she wants to play tag. So now I'm going to be it because, I'm that kind of person. Just like to be it for games. So yeah, I'm just gonna have to click. Please ignore the clicking. Please ignore all the clicking. So yeah. You just ruined it! No, I can't! So yeah, I'm just gonna run around with her. Now she's it, so. So now I gotta run, gotta get away from her before she tags me. Oh no. Oh, she's gonna get me. So now I just gotta chase her around. Well, I think that's it for today. So I hope you have a good day. Make sure to like and basically subscribe because I can only say subject. So bye, and big shout out to Wild for being in my video. Make sure to buddy her. Oh, that just got blocked. Make sure to buddy her. Her username is CORFLACK. So yeah, make sure to buddy her. And I hope you enjoyed. Well, bye. So yeah.